Oh shit. The GTR. Oh, the spool. Oh, that sounds so good. What's good, YouTube? dgwhip here, back here with another video. Today I am actually back in the G. It's driving or rolling. My AFR gauge just stopped working today, and I already figured it out. I accidentally had a wire right behind the e-brake, and it kind of just yanked it out of the quick connect, and I need to rewire it because it kind of just broke it. So not a big deal. Everything else was good. I know I'm just running dummy rich anyways, which is better than running lean, so I'm not worried about it. No, I am not tuned yet. I'm still figuring that out. I also need to move the wastegate, but I did just get the car finally driving today basically. So I do just want to take it to a meet. I'm not going to be pushing on the car at all. I'm not trying to blow it up yet. I'm about to roll with my buddy that has an NSX and an FD RX-7 and an S2000, so that's going to be cool. And right now I'm actually just going through a quick car wash. I don't even really have time to fully hand wash it myself. I'm just going to take it through here. It doesn't have the brushes, so it doesn't really mess up the paint too much. I'll just finish the rest off with some towels and some stuff I have right here, and then we're pretty much going to roll out from there. So I'll just give you guys some POV footage. I'll get some footage of the meet just to give you guys some content. I haven't been able to upload much because I've just been too busy and the car has just been disabled. But now we got a car again, which I'm happy about. So let's give you guys some awesome content. By the way, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Damn, bro. I haven't washed her in over a month. Paint is definitely not perfect, but she's looking pretty good right now. I love how this car looks at night. And then boom, look at that turbo. I wish it was a little easier to see, because if you're in an SUV or something, you ain't gonna see it. But I mean, screw it, sleeper look, I guess. The car actually runs really well for how rich it's running, and the new pump and injectors with no tune. It does take a second to start, but once it starts, it's good. No check engine light, idle's great, everything's great. Started up pretty easy that time. You can see the only light I have on is my tire pressure light, and that's literally whatever, who cares. That's a thumbnail right there. Waiting on my buddy Aaron. Got this R32 right here, right hand drive. Send nudes. Man, I want a right hand drive car so bad. You already know it's boosted. A 6-speed swap? Yeah. Oh, sweet. Oh, so you guys see the old 99? Yeah. Nice. Damn, I can tell you spitting flames. Just casually chilling behind the NSX. What's the retail on one of those? We out here. You can definitely hear the oil pump. On there. Yeah, just a little cheap one.
I feel like I need to pull my gun out because it might shoot me, bro. That's just weapon.
That was cool being all exposed like that. I like how the front being exposed looks.
Oh yeah, bro. This is nowhere near a sleeper now, bro. You roll up in this and what'd you go for the?
Dude, the lighting here is so bad. I can't even really film because you can't even see what's going on. So we're actually about to go watch someone race a twin turbo Lambo. I don't know why you'd want to do that, and I don't know who. The GTR. Oh, the spool. Oh. Oh, it sounds so good. Got my AFR gauge working again. The connector unplugged, so I just plug it back in. It is a quick disconnect. rolling with the NSX and Huracan, bro. Oh man, this is how we rolling now. Apparently, got the Turbo G, the S2K with the hard top, NSX, and then, you know, just a Huracan. You know, nothing too serious. Sheesh. Oh, also it's twin turbo, in case it wasn't fast enough.
Are these 30, 35? I wouldn't run less than 18.
No, like that? No.
See, I'm running, you should have swapped with me. I'm running AAA.
Okay, so right now this is a different day. I actually fixed the overboosting issue finally. So what I did was I moved the wastegate, which wasn't the main problem actually I discovered, but it is good that I moved it to a better location so we get more flow. You can see it's right there. I had the vacuum line coming off the top. The top needs to be vented. So that's why it was overboosting. It was just like literally just forcing the wastegate to stay closed. So I have it where it's supposed to be now. And I have it hooked up to the boost controller, and when it was on spring pressure, it was opening up right when it needed to at basically like 2 psi or a little less. And then I turn the boost control up, it goes to 5, 6, 7 psi, no problem, and it's opening perfect. You can hear the wastegate opening, it's perfect. So go ahead and show you guys right now. I just got gas because I had like 0 gas. Right now boost pressure should be at about spring pressure. So I just want to show you the boost controller is working and the wastegate is opening when it should be. So let's just get out from this slow ass car. There we go. Yeah, and then so yeah, it stopped boosting at like 2, 3 psi, which is where it should be. Now we're gonna turn up the boost like a couple notches, and it should be going to like 5. Here. Hold on. You hear the wastegate opening? Oh man, that sounds sick, bro. Awesome. I'm so happy we fixed our boost issues. We are dying already officially. We fixed all our leaks, fixed our overboosting, all our weird problems. Now we don't even have a check engine light. No smoking, no oil issues. We are good to go. Oil pressure is good. Even our AFR, it seems like the car is learning what's going on, and the AFR isn't as bad as it was. It was running super rich for the point it actually threw a code, but now it's pretty much good. So guys, the car sounds amazing. I'll meet you guys back at home. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I promise content is gonna be uploaded way more. I really just have to put my head down and focus, fixing so many issues, overboosting leaks, everything, motor mounts, everything. I still gotta get tuned, obviously, but the car is officially ready to get tuned. Now I can just sit and wait until I'm ready, and then that'll be it. And we'll have the video on when we're getting dyno tuned. We'll see how much power we're making and all that good stuff. So I'm really excited. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, see you guys next time.